We often tend to forget how we solved a coding problem few days earlier, right? It's really important to keep on brushing up the approach we used and also pick a harder version of similar problems so that it gets fit into our head. Let's take a quick recap of three sum problem. Here, sorting is a really crucial step because we know once we sort the array, the element at end is always going to be smaller than element of right end. So it's easy to apply two-pointer approach here because in three sum we apply two-pointer approach. And this way we can move our pointers to get the exact sum, exact value we are trying to achieve, right? First, we fix one number at a particular index. In the first iteration we move from 0 to length -2 and we fix one number here in the sum, and here in the left and we move left and right pointers according to our need, that what sum and how far we are away from the sum. If the particular sum is the sum we are getting is lesser than 0, then we know that we have to move towards right towards higher element. And if the sum we are getting is lesser than 0, then we know that we have, sorry, greater than 0, then we know that we have to move towards left side, means we have to decrement our right pointer. So this is all what we follow, that we fix one number, we assume we take two pointers, we move them according to our need, whether we are getting a smaller and higher sum. And now one of the very important step here is we skip duplicates. And we skip duplicates for two things. We skip duplicates for the element we fixed like this, and we also skip duplicates for both left and right end. So this is how we solve our problems. And more for the full description, you can see my whole video. Also, if I go on explaining more towards skipping duplicates, it is very important. Once we have found the valid triplet, we skip the duplicates. Skipping duplicate is crucial because we don't want the solution we have found. If we have found one solution, we don't want that to duplicate. That's why. And also the time complexity here for sorting is n log n, and for we since we run two loops, that's why the complexity is n square. Since n square takes over n log n, so total time complexity is big of n square. Thank you. Keep on learning, keep coding.